Hello, hello children, good morning. Today in this video presentation we will understand organizing process. Organizing process. What process you have to follow while organizing. Okay. So there are five steps mainly. If I tell you by a diagram, it come like this. Okay. This is step 1. This is step 2. This is step 3. This is step 4. And here you can say step 5. So one by one I am taking these steps. Step 1 is determining activities. Determining activities. Yeah. Now you see, what do you mean by determining activities? It is very necessary to determine those activities which are essential to accomplish organizational objectives. Okay, which are essential to accomplish organizational objectives. So what will you do? The whole work, suppose this is the work, this is the whole work, it should be divided into a small work. Clear? Suppose this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have divided the whole work into 7 parts. Now, each part should be handed over to person according to their specialization. If I give you an example of a school system, in a school, various department works like teaching, like office administration, like library, right? Like sports, security, right? Etc. Now, at the top level, what happens? They fixes the common objectives of the organization. And at middle level, what happens? They execute and fixes the departmental objectives. Executes and fixes the departmental objectives. What is departmental objectives? Suppose teaching is one part of the entire work. Now teaching can further be divided by middle level as senior, junior, etc. So this is done by middle level. Clear? And supervisory level, they see day-to-day objectives. Day-to-day objectives are whether today's class is conducted properly or not. If a teacher is absent, then any other teacher has been sent in his place or not. So like this is the first step of organizing process, determining activities. Now, second is grouping of activities. Grouping activities. Or you can say departmentalization. Departmentalization. Now, what do you mean by grouping of activities? It can happen on the basis of functions. On the basis of functions, how? Like purchase department, marketing department, research and development, time office, HR, etc. On the basis of functions, we have grouped the activities or we have ensured the departmentalization. This is on the basis of functions. It can be also on the basis of products. On the basis of products, department can be formed. Like, suppose an organization manufacture car and bike, both. So car department may be different and bike department may be different. So on the basis of products, the department can be formed. Department can also be formed on the basis of geography. On the basis of geography. On the basis of geography, how? Like northern, eastern, western, etc. So like this, children, we group the activities. Clear? Next is the third step. Grouping of activities, this is second step. Now see third step. Third step is, this is third step. Third step is assigning duties. Assigning duties to employees. Assigning duties to employees means, what will you do here? Now, after departmentalization, according to the skills and competence, various employees are assigned duties. Suppose in a school organization, chemistry teacher will be given the periods of teaching chemistry, maths teacher will be given the periods of teaching maths, like this. Now number 4 is delegating authority to employees. Delegating authority to employees. What does it mean? While delegating authority, manager should work on establishing reporting relationship. Reporting relationship. Reporting relationship means who will report to whom. Who will report to whom? Means there should not be any conflict between the person who is supposed to report and to whom he has to report. So there should not be any confusion about it. Now, children, you have to see the last point of this organizing process. This four we have discussed. Now fifth one is coordinating activities. Coordinating activities. Now see, coordinating activities to achieve goals. It is very important to see that you have now deployed many type of work. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 7 type of work you have identified, and on every work, suppose these person are working like this. So on every work, this is work number 1, this is work number 2, this is work number 4, like this. Suppose on every work, suppose average 3 employees are working. So coordination has become now must. First of all, coordination should be work wise, means work number 1, work number 2, work number 3. These all should be coordinated with each other, and then these employees should be coordinated within their unit as well as with outside unit. So like this there should be coordination. So children, this was all about organizing process. Once again you see 1 2 3 4 5 steps are there. First is determining activities, second is grouping activities, third is assigning duties, fourth is delegating authorities to employees, and fifth one is coordinating coordinating activities to achieve goals. So this was all about organizing process. Hope you enjoy this discussion, and you will be benefited. Okay, thank you very much.